See it there? Dougie Fresh TV, you know. I want to you. I do get a chance to run out and do something on the road. I like capture the experience and share it.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the...
That's how I roll 9-9. Alright, well, I got my people out here, you know what I mean? Try to do the right thing. So, we run come in the dealership real quick, come see me can do an oil change. We don't want to come out here, say. We don't want to come out a little early, but we have a late like last night at the airport. But, because when you come in the dealership for oil change, just prepare for burn about 2 hours or so. So, we just come as early as we can. And I just go and edit or work on a video I'm supposed to upload at the time to YouTube while I wait. So I can come experience that with me and so you go. You understand what I say? So stay tuned with people, you understand? So you don't know you got ready. Are your boy fresh? I will just there go and do the right thing. And stay up on the road with me today because I have a couple spin around for though. And I couldn't go and spin with me. And so you go. You understand? So I'm going to see how that experience you go. Alright, so now the wait begins. They are going to wait. It's so long to go take. About an hour to 2 hours, I'm saying. So.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name.
Yeah, nice. Sorry, camera. Yeah, do I have a hobby in my spare time?
Meant to be living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic. You can't stop it, it's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go!
To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grieving. Put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it.
Alright, so while we're there, I wait for the car. I'll go and check out some of them have going with over here, so. And then we say go check out them corvettes real quick.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated.
So I like the color.
Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Stand up.
With that open the door, but them have a do not touch sign on it, so I just work on it. But the orange one over there, so the top half 530, so I just use that one there.
Now we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. look the other way. Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
You know, Mr. Truck person, this clean. Also, big ass screen.
Then we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing.
This one of the Colorado. Mid-size pickup. Clean also.
I wish I knew.
You know, so everything I go electric now, so I guess get used to it. Alright, so the shutdown, it done quicker than what I expect, still to tell you the truth. They done and over with. Yo, them car they look tough to. I'm not gonna tell you lie. Me definitely not a car person, but yeah, them tough. I forget them ratings. Them clean and them tough. You understand what I mean? I said that for entire depend the Miami Beach or yeah, Seals or Moby or you know some top off, you know what I mean, catty in the front seat, bag of things are going, you see me, but yeah, that would have be like when time I did in my retirement stage, because me is not a car person for real. But still, it was clean. It was a good vibe. You see me? So now, with that being said, I think me I gotta get something to eat. Yeah, I think I love panda and something. I love Chinese food, so yeah, I gotta run go get some Chinese food for lunch. And yeah, that's the pre. Now we're also move. We're gonna make some this. So you understand what I mean? So stay tuned, people. We're up on the road together. Me and Una go and par. They done already. One link, one go. You see me? I say one family, one doggy fresh. You know you go already. I'm out. Alright, so just reached a Panda Express a while ago. Now going and so grab a plate real quick, and then I go just head home. Me have some things to do on my laptop, so I'm gonna knock out some business on the laptop real quick, and then probably just go and chill, probably cook dinner for look more, cause I got the airport in the night, and then I just over there from that. So for now, we are going outside, we'll grab a plate, and we'll just go and easy. You understand what I said? I'm not gonna eat inside that one. I'll probably go home because I like to watch TV and relax and put up my foot. You understand what I said? Yeah, I want them things there. So I just somewhere there with that right now. Alright.
I got 2 bacon down, please. Bacon. What else?
Sesame chicken. Where is it?
Sesame chicken is coming.
Okay. and sit down and wait for the sesame chicken for ready. Give them a little bit of time to sort it out and then so now so we think fresh, you understand what I say? So about lunchtime now, so them are going to them thing. Josie. Now they're on a rush now first. Crab up. So I don't know, so this is like an everyday thing, everyday vlog. You know, the workload kind of heavy sometimes, so when time I do get a chance to run out and do something on the road, I like to capture the experience and share it. So I just want them to do it. No pressure, no fuss.
Your total is 1083. Would you like any sauce?
Duck sauce. Don't worry, I'm just catching the experience. You good?
Oh, you
Vlog.
you record or something?
YouTube, yeah, for YouTube.
Want to do chopstick?
Oh no.
Okay. Don't forget to do survey to get a free entree. Really good.
Okay,
Yeah.
I got you.
And then if you have time to do, have time to join to do that one for reward. Yeah, thank you so much. Have a nice one.
Thank
Thank you for waiting.
All right. All right, so that over and done it. You saw as Ling Ling realized that me have video she start advertise, do survey, do this, do that, do that. Business business get real professional I know. Cause she don't know me how own and she see me with the camera and just start do things the right way. It come like remind me one time I used to work fast food at KFC man and them have a thing what them call mystery shopper. You understand what I say? You don't know who are the mystery shopper, when them a come, when them a go order. So because she see me with the camera now, boy she get real professional. She say, you recording? I say yeah, for YouTube. She get real professional to write it come. But me understand still cause me used to the exactly the shoes probably a couple of years ago. Yeah man, cause I run after fast food a couple of years well when I come here. So I saw you go. Ling Ling, you're safe man, my name is Shopper. But if the food not tastes good, I'm gonna make you know. Alright. It's at the weekend and we just go and run some chicken real quick, you know what I mean, all the vibes, go and drink something, go and play some music and we'll just go and do that. Is what I say. Just stay tuned for that. And we are working on the chicken right now, fire up the grill. We just come from the store, go grab some propane real quick and then yeah, I'll get the chicken going because the time changed now, so the sun going like 8:30, so we are working that way, man. That's what I like about the time change thing. I understand what I say? So no pressure, no stress. You can just go and easy. The only thing about that is this: you will up late and I watch the sun for go down and things say it's still early. Trick you see me? But you get used to it, man. But I'm not sitting right now. That way I start out. You see me? One go. Alright, so see, we just done season up. We're gonna light up the grill out of the ring now. Check it out. Well seasoned now, make it go and marinate. And that's why I'm gonna throw a beer pan that and make it go and sit. So I go out the door, light up the grill, and then we can make the grill go and preheat and then we'll throw it pan it. And that's what I'm say. So that's at the pre right now. This over there, we still have all our vibe. Well connect up, ready to go. Alright, so you don't know so I start there. Me and bro got there will have vibe. We have some on the grill, as you know. So we'll go and eat some. There'll be some crown apple, you understand what I say? So them man, they are greens, man. Me no do landscaping, so I might think this. And that's what I say, yeah, cigar me thing there. So him go and do landscaping, and me go and light a sticker down the mic. That's what I say, so the whole of vibes, the place a blow cool. Yeah, my niece and my lady over there, so I go on easy. And that's what I say, I also go on whole of vibes. We don't need crowd, you know, I just family. And that's what I say, that's what I think there.
Oh, see it there? Dougie Fresh TV, you know. I warm to you, man. See our family, we say. See me I say? What we have eaten now? Grown apple? We have to play with it, you know. See it here? Watch there. Woo!
One go.
You know, see what I want.
Cracky, man, cracky.
See.
You know, we hear the crack, we hear the crack.
You hear that? You hear that?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, see? We have to touch it up and watch him. Watch it. Blessing us a flow like a river. Blessing us a show like a river. You mean, man? A blessing, you know, that flow like a river.
One go, man. And a mango, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Oh. Yeah, man, that is it, man. That's how all of us, that's how we chill. You understand me? I say, so you don't know, say the local cold weather blow off now. The summer take time to come in. So you know it go already. Different vibes, different energy. And we just go and run the grill. You see me? I'm not seeing the man. Just watch and just stay tuned. You see me? Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Oh.
My shop, big up yourself. You know, so for your young baby, put camera in your face. Man, I can also your granny now move, you know, rude boy. I granny the man thing that.
You know what I mean? Cripple blind.
Man, see, I granny me thing there, is what I said?
But she have more experience. She have more chicks.
And then when time she reveal that, no, you're surprised that they don't need that.
Your part.
Yeah, apparently. Yeah.
They are run some festival for the jerk chicken. And we just have to roll the ball from there. So we don't make the sauce already, you know what I say? This is for me never, so a little bit, and I'm ready for me never right now. Because a madman in time I want him food in him, active. You know what I say? So that way I put. So that's how we are roll night here. We still do it, we still do the right thing. Yo, may I tell you, it's a blast, it's a vibes.
Tell me what you want, what you need. 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 Tell me.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave,